How to exclude a file from Windows Defender in Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. After you've clicked on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and you'll find Virus and Threat Protection Settings. In there, click on Manage Settings. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Scroll down and you'll find exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions, which will open this kind of page. In here, press on Yes, and then click on Add an Exclusion. After you've clicked on it, select is it File, Folder, File Type, or Process. I'm simply gonna click on File and select a file and press on Open at the bottom. After that, the file will be added in here in this way, and whenever it scans, it is not going to scan this file. This is how to exclude a file from Windows Defender in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.